What is the difference between light dependent and light independent reaction? And now, in the light dependent reaction, berry energy from sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll and that energy is converted into stored chemical energy. And the light independent reaction, the chemical energy harvested during the light dependent reaction drives an assembly of sugar molecules from carbon dioxide. So light dependent reaction is a photosynthesis. The light dependent reaction takes place on the thylakoid membrane. The inside of the thylakoid membrane is called the lumen, and the outside thylakoid membrane is the stroma, where the light independent reaction take place. How are photons absorbed and utilized the first stage of photosynthesis? And the chlorophyll absorbs a photon of a particular energy, one of its electrons jump to an excited state. These chlorophyll molecules sit inside of a photosystem with many other chlorophylls. It is ground disk represented by the blue circle, and this excitation states represented by yellow-green circle, and after absorbing a photon represented by yellow circle, can get passed around from molecule to molecule with one electron relaxing back to the ground state, eliminating another photon that will excite an electron in another molecule, and so forth like a pinball machine. Eventually, a photon may strike the reaction center complex represented by red circle, which also contains two molecules of chlorophyll. After the photon strike the reaction center complex, the high energy excited reaction, rather than relaxing back down to the ground state, will instead be transferred to another molecule called the primary electron acceptor above the reaction center complex, after which an enzyme supplies the missing electron to the oxidized chlorophyll via a water molecule to get one back to its normal state back. To read in color, which is how oxygen molecules are produced. The Kybal cycle, light independent reaction, views the scientific phase, dark reaction or photosynthesis, carbon rejection cycle of photosynthesis are the chemical reaction that convert carbon dioxide and hydrogen carrier compounds into glucose. What are all the products by light dependent and light independent reaction? The products of light dependent reactions, ATP and DNPH, have lifespan in the range of millions of seconds, whereas a product of light independent reaction, carbohydrates and other forms that reduce carbon, can survive for hundreds millions of years.